Hey Scorpio, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. This is a romance of a lifetime, forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Okay, Scorpio. Divine timing is definitely at play here. Some of you guys are definitely dealing with a soulmate, possible twin flame situation. I'm hearing trust. They need you to have trust that things will play out as it should. In the meantime, they want you to forgive. Somebody's hurt you guys, and they need you to forgive this person and heal from everything that they put you through. Because something's getting ready to take place very soon. Okay, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, here we go. Bottom of the deck. I have the Queen of Cups in reverse. So, somebody could definitely be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or another Scorpio. But this is basically telling me that if not, you guys are embodying the Queen of Cups reverse, which is telling me that you guys are sad about something, but you're holding it in. You're not really telling this person how you're feeling. You know, I guess for some of you guys, you're kind of just to the point like, why? You know, this person keeps hurting me. I'm tired of going through this with, you know, this particular individual. And you're looking for balance in your life. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but I feel like for a lot of you guys, you're hurting because you gave this person an offer in the past and they turned you down. So now it's like, you know, no, I'm not dealing with this. What'd I tell you? You're no longer putting the time, effort, or energy into this, and you're basically just focusing on yourself. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign here, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but this person, you know, was showing you that there was some type of codependency with them. Some type of an addiction here. Maybe they were codependent for financial reasons. Somebody could be addicted to, you know, drugs, alcohol, sex. It could be anything, you know, but there was definitely some codependency here. And this frustrated you. You know, you were up late at night, worried, trying to figure out, you know, what to do. Why is this happening? Because you really were looking at the situation like things were not improving. Maybe some of you guys figured out or you felt that a third party was interfering here. This person was playing around. Tell me about the Three of Pentacles reverse. Yep. And so now it's like you moved on. You're ready just to move on. Could be dealing with a Cancer here. Some of you guys could have physically moved as well, but I'm more so picking up like you just moved on. You know, you're tired of just going through this with this individual. You just had to cut it off. But this person, it's like now that you cut them off, they want you. You know, they really want to be with you. They realize that they messed up. But there's some interference here. And this is why they're not moving forward. Somebody is stuck on something with their finances too. Maybe somebody is feeling like their financial situation is not in the best place. And they were possibly dealing with someone who could have helped them out financially. Yep, somebody was dealing with someone from the past. That's not for everybody. That's for some of you guys. But honestly, Scorpio, I feel like when you look at this person, you can't help but to think about everything that they put you through. And this is why you gotta cut them off. You cut this person off. And it's like you don't have the strength to continue dealing with their nonsense anymore. Could be dealing with an air sign. Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But regardless, this is basically telling me like, you feel like you're not going to have a victory with this person. So now somebody wants to rush in to tell you something. Could be dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody wants you to have hope. Somebody is hoping that things are going to work out. But there's two people here. There's a water sign and an air sign. So somebody was definitely put into some type of third party situation. Scorpio, I feel like we talk about this all the time. I'm like, I really was hoping for some other energy. But, I mean, for somebody, it's still lingering here. So, again, water. Somebody's dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We got air, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. So, somebody is needing to make a decision. But I feel like, again, you cut this individual off. You're like, no. You're not tolerating anymore. What it was that you were hoping and wishing for when it came to this person, you feel like it's just not going to happen anymore. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces here, but it looks like you made a decision. You guys are using your intuition, and right now you're just throwing yourself into work, I do feel like the person that messed up, they want to work things out with you. They're ready to put in the work. They want to take that leap towards you, but there's fear here because this person messed up. And they want their family back. They want to have that happy home. They want to have a peace of mind with you. But they had other options. Look at that. This person wants a new beginning with you, but again, they're carrying a burden because they know that they messed up. They feel guilty about everything that they did. And that's why they're moving slow. You guys were the ones doing everything in the relationship. And they know it. But somebody is wanting things to improve here. Somebody, I'm telling y'all, the person that messed up, they want to come back and bring balance to the relationship. They know that they didn't bring balance before, and that's why they're having a hard time right now because they're realizing you did everything. They took a step back and realized like they weren't putting forth 100% of the effort. And so now they're trying to stay positive and they're trying to manifest things to work out in their favor. I feel like you guys are coming out of worrying about it. You're coming out of being frustrated, but you're not happy. You're not happy the way things are playing out. Yeah, it's like somebody could be dealing with a Taurus here, and I also do have a Virgo. For some of you guys, if this is not you leaving a commitment, a relationship here, somebody is really thinking about getting out of a marriage. But there's a lesson to be learned. So again, if I'm hearing before you make any hasty decisions, they need you to just take a step back. Yeah, they need you to take a step back and reevaluate some things here. And I'm not sitting here saying stay with somebody that's cheating on you. Oh, no. But they really want you to, pray about it. They need you to meditate. They just need you to calm down and maybe not be so emotional and start thinking more logically about things. I'm hearing for some of you guys, you got to balance both of those two things out. Let's see. Yeah, see, look, you're heartbroken. Definitely heartbroken because this person could have put you in some type of third-party situation. And y'all know third party doesn't have to be another man, another woman. It could be family member, friend, whoever, work. But somebody basically put, other things or other people before you. And at this point, I feel like you're coming out of being frustrated, Scorpio, and you're getting ready to speak your truth. You're opening up and you're saying something. You're telling this person you feel like you're not going to have a new opportunity, or you don't want a new opportunity with this person because they didn't bring balance into the situation. I do feel like somebody here is dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, and this person is keeping a close eye on you. You could be spying on them, keeping a close eye on them because, again, maybe you've been feeling like there's a third party here, but you can't catch them in the act. You may have been asking them and they're denying it. So you guys are like, putting on your Inspector Gadget hat, trying to find out what's going on. So the person that messed up, I do feel like now they know that you spoke your truth and you're saying, you know what, I want out. I want out of this relationship. I want out of this marriage. I want out of this situation with you. Because there's no balance. You're not making me happy. This isn't going anywhere. Now, all of a sudden, this person wants to take a stand, and they want to come towards you to fix things. But, yeah, they're back and forth. It's like they want to come towards you to turn things around. They want to come out of this conflict, but they messed up so bad, they don't know what to do or what to say, how to get out of this situation, you know, because they want to turn things around, but it's like they don't know how to move. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn here, but yeah, I see somebody walking away from a toxic situation. They don't see themselves building with this person anymore. Could be dealing with an Aries. But you want stability in your life, and you're right, you should have that. And if this person cannot provide that to you, then yeah, you need to start making moves. I feel like even though you're frustrated, somebody's trying to clear away some type of obstacle here. Tell me more. Back and forth. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. I mean, there's definitely love here, but there's an imbalance. And I feel like somebody wants to speak their truth, but they're holding back. They're scared to say something. Look at that. Knight of Pentacles. This is why they're moving slow. It's something that they want to say, they're just holding back. They're not. Somebody's feeling like things are not going to improve. Somebody's scared that they're going to lose out financially if they walk away. Justice. Somebody's definitely thinking about coming out of this legal commitment here. Somebody's definitely married. They're thinking about possibly getting a divorce. Somebody could have been going through some type of like legal issues. Maybe that's wrapping up. But honestly, I just feel like it's more so the truth is coming out. And by this truth coming out, the Ten of Cups tried to come out, which is telling me that somebody wants to save their family. They still see it. You know, I feel like you guys are coming out of your head about it. You know, you're just letting it go. Somebody's feeling like at one point they were frustrated about the situation, but Scorpio, I feel like this is you. You're letting it go. But they're saying that you're not using your intuition because there's an offer here. Clarify the Ace of Cups. There's an offer here. Somebody wants to offer you their cup of love, and it's overflowing. A decision has been made. There's definitely an offer here. But when you look at this part, okay, so the person that messed up, they're coming back in to give you this offer, you know, and it's a very stable offer. But because they've messed up so much in the past, because you feel like they had other options, there were other people in the way, things they put before you, they had a lot of toxic behaviors within themselves, you're looking at them like, I don't know if I should take that. But they're still rushing in fast. They don't want to let you go. But the thing is, they keep talking themselves out of it because now they're backing out and they're not really saying too much to you. Somebody needs to open up. Somebody is holding back big time. Somebody feels like the seeds that were planted, they're not going to grow. And there's a tower moment. It's like the universe is tired. They're like, look, all right, we let you try to, you know, run this show for a while, but I'm tired. You need to get it together. We about to just come and just mess up all of this, okay? And so, yeah, because look, bottom of the deck, there's the Seven of Swords in reverse. Somebody needs to clean up their act. Period, point blank. Somebody has definitely... They got to clean up their act. If they really want this to work out. But they're having a hard time doing so. Well, somebody's having a hard time. Let's see. Tell me more. Oh, you just gonna fall like that. Okay. Oh my God. Y'all, hold on. I gotta get it. It's two kings. And I see how they landed too. Sorry, y'all. Why am I reaching like this? Okay. There's two kings here. So, there's two people. Period, point blank, okay? Somebody is definitely in some type of third party. And they need to make a decision. Look, there's the Seven of Swords again in reverse. Somebody needs to clean up their act and let go of this third party situation, which I do see that they're going to be coming out of in order to get to this new beginning. But Scorpio, if you were the one done wrong, you feel like you were left out in the cold by this individual. Yeah, and you're sad about it. Maybe this person left you out financially in the cold. This would be vice versa, take it however it fits, but somebody needs to make a decision. Yeah, looks like this person doesn't want you to walk away. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.